how to turn on your Android phone with a broken power button. This tutorial shows you two ways to power and control your device without using the physical power button. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick panel. After that, look for the Power Options button at the top right corner of the Quick panel and tap on it. From there, you will see options to restart, power off, or emergency mode without needing to use the physical power button. At this point, if you want a more permanent solution, go to your Android settings and tap on Accessibility. In the next step, tap on Interaction and Dexterity. Following this, tap on Assistant menu and toggle it on. Once done, a floating shortcut button will appear on your screen at all times. From here, tap on that floating button whenever you need access to power options, volume controls, and other shortcuts without touching any physical buttons. Finally, this floating button will stay on your screen even after a restart, so you can always access your power options without needing the power button. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you use your phone with a broken power button, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.